God, it's raining. Guys, we're here in Houston. We flew out here to Houston. Come to the shop. This is the shop Houston where my car is. Taylor? Hey, Taylor. It's Taylor. It's Taylor. His car is faster than mine. You know what that means?
What the?
Hyperdrive.
What the hell?
He's the one who pulls up to people and be like, you're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Come here.
Holy shit.
In here, we got the engine room. Yep, nothing's getting done right now because I'm just kidding.
What the hell? That's 2JZ?
2JZ,
Holy-
SL20,
Holy
4063. This right here, RB32, fully built. This thing is about to be a monster. Hold on. Stay right there. Let me brighten up the situation.
Oh, we have to see the diamond.
Hey, you'll see Diamond now. Diamond boy.
The diamond boy.
Right-hand drive. Dual parachute for no reason at all. This thing actually has no brakes. Back, can I have this?
No.
Why not?
It's sold. Oh no, it's all back car actually.
Oh, I can't buy it? Really? Lucky. Guys, that's Mac. If you don't know Mac, Mac's a legend. Okay? See this right here? This is an overpriced Ultima.
Yeah, some little kids were at the fucking show in Idaho. At John's thing.
Yeah.
They said, "Oh, it's Mr. T." And I was like,
Oh my God, they called that Mr. T? That's definitely Kimbo.
"Definitely Kimbo's leg."
Definitely Kimbo. I was gonna ride in this thing until I realized that, yeah, the seat's kind of loose. Mac, is this factory? No, I was kidding. This is a great seat, actually. The guy who made these, I reached out to him. He wanted to make me a set too. These are sick. Very comfortable. Love them. So we were gonna go for a joyride and get a reaction video, but clearly
There's a lot of traction outside.
there's a lot of traction loss outside. God said no today. Hopefully tomorrow. It happens. We're in Houston.
Or tonight.
Yeah. Or tonight. It could dry up tonight. Yeah. It could. Yeah, I can't show you guys everything because we have some top secret stuff in here. But that's besides the fact. This car right here is the second slowest car here.
That's the first.
This is the first slowest. The first slowest car here. That's my car. We're changing the O2 sensors. Yep. And changing the oil and the flux capacitor. Now we're changing all the fluids in the car. Got to change them. Guys, change your, like when you got a big power car, you should be changing your oil every week. I mean, you do like 10 pulls and then I'm like, okay, time to change the oil.
Performante right there.
Performante, twin turbo.
Performante.
G almost fell. This is G. G is like the guy that every shop has that's clumsy as hell, but can work on cars. It absolutely makes no sense, but it makes sense. I don't know. Anyway.
Look,
so
this
yeah.
guy has 2 horns back there.
It's 2 horns back there.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, the shop. Y'all know I work with Cheapy Racing, and Alex is a great guy, and I think every shop nowadays is trying to get into the twin turbo Lambo game, and the shop's doing a great job. Really good job. Their shit's fast, But they're also way the hell over here, and Cheapy is way the hell over there. So there's enough Lambos in the world for everybody. That's what I always say. Guys, this right here is the secret weapon of the shop. Of the shop. Secret weapon. Hajime. Am I doing it right? Hajime is the critique guy who takes his time but gets it done right. Everybody gets it done right. But he's super, super extra.
Precise. Laser accurate.
Precision. We came all the way out here. Didn't realize it was gonna rain. Taylor was gonna take us for a ride, but it's raining.
Man, we can still go for a
We can still go for a ride. But we can go nowhere.
Yeah, last one.
It'd be our last ride.
Safety first, kid.
Safety first. You know, whoever wrapped this thing did a good job.
Really, dude.
You did a great job.
What color was it?
It was not pink.
Blue.
Yeah.
It was pink.
It was pink.
They didn't do a good job. They didn't.
Nah.
No, look at this. Look. Bubble. Bubble.
I'm taking it off, bro.
No, it's okay. I think
do it.
the whole front end looks good.
Yeah, right to the door, and then the back doesn't look like shit.
Back looks like shit. It's okay.
That's all they'll see though, but so it's gotta look good. The front looks really good.
Yeah, the front looks great, actually. It looks like your arch nemesis. Texas killer. Bum bum bum.
See you in a couple days, buddy.
See you in a couple days, buddy.
You're not that guy, pal.
You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. So this is the typical street radial that we drive, all terrain. Yeah, as you can clearly see, it has plenty of tread. Plenty of tread. You see it? The tread?
Yeah, look.
Can get you in.
right there.
Can you make a little tread for it right there? See the little tread? Yeah, get you anywhere you need to go. Rain, sleet, or snow. Ho ho ho. This one fits fine. Transmission fluid. Car hasn't been driven in a little while. Sometimes I don't have time to drive it, so we shipped it out here to get it ready for MITM. And I'm excited. We're gonna have fun. We would go have a little fun tonight, but it's still raining.
It's raining out there.
New guy right there. I told him, I said, you sure you know what you're doing before you touch my car? We're gonna install this. It's a little jumper. So these stay on at all times.
Oh?
Yeah, they'll stay on at all times. Pretty cool.
What's going on, Dan?
So right now we're gonna reflash them to TCM like we originally planned. Car's ready to go. We fixed it in a couple hours. But I mean, it wasn't nothing to fix. We just changed all the fluids and stuff. Reflashing, got a new tune on the transmission. That's it.
I haven't seen Dan smile like this in a minute. Look at that boy happy.
Hold on, stay right there, stay right there, stay right there.
Oh.
There. So my boy Hajime, the genius himself, the secret weapon. So we bought this wiring kit on Amazon. It works, okay? So now I'm able to keep the headlights on and the fog lights on at the same time. See?
That's it.
They usually turn off, but they stay on at all times. Did they go off? Well, we won't be able to do nothing crazy because it's raining, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're here in Houston. Hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow. Pull around, go head up some YouTuber buddies and do some reaction videos. Peace out, guys.